Hey guys, it's Hannah, and I'm going to show you how to do an egg for your dog. So, you might at first want to grab your dog's bowl. Grab your dog's bowl. And you might want to show your dog to the YouTubers. So, hey YouTubers, it's Hannah. On my last videos and all about my dog, and I'm going to show you what my dog looks like. So in order to show an egg, you have to show your dog who you're making it for. Come on, sit. Lay down. Lay down. Come on. Good boy. So hey guys, say hey. This is Elvis. So say hey, Elvis. So this is Elvis. Say hi. Say hi. This is my little baby. And I'm going to do something special for him. I know, ain't he adorable? He's one of a kind. No dogs look like him. So, now I'm going to make something, a little treat for my little precious little Pearl. So, get cooking, shall we? Okay. I'll show you how to do it. Grab one egg. Grab one egg. Perfect, because this is the last egg. You might want to grab one egg. Perfect. So, if you want it, you could add water to your dog's bowl. Like if you want it to. So, perfect. Now we have to get it ready and put it in for 1 minute this time. First ingredients. We're mixing. Okay, perfs. That's perfs G. So, perfect day. Click cancel. 1 minute. So, can't wait. Wait 1 minute. I'm just gonna bring the chair over here. I can reach it. It shows my wife how it looks. It's up here. Food coloring. Perfect. It's done. As perfect as possible as it used to be. Voila. You might want to grab a wrap. Because you never know how hot it could be? We're going to take it over here. Okay. Perfect. Now, you might want to be a little waitress for your dog. So, you might want to do this. And now, just break it up. And break it up in little pieces so your dog doesn't just eat the egg. If you don't know how to make an egg, watch this, subscribe to this video because it'll help you. My dad taught me how to make egg the easy way. But even when I didn't know how to, he taught me. He's really smart. If you want, you can break it up to pieces. Like, this is what I usually do. Don't worry, I wash my hands before I do this a lot. My ear just was itchy. Okay, perfect. Alright. Now, today for the fun part. You grab it, pick up your dog's food, grab it more. If it drops some, that's okay. Okay. And then when you're done, clean up your mess, but that'll be part of it. So, let's see. That's how you make eggs the right way. Get the napkin ready, put it on your arm. And here's the dog food with the egg inside it. And now, it's time to give to our